Today we're checking out the 20 volts blower from LIGO, and LIGO did send this to us for us to check out. Now, I've got to tell you, this thing's a lot more powerful than what I thought it would be. Kind of an off-brand type name, I thought, and I was like, there's no way this thing's going to perform. But man, I got to tell you, I have a Greenworks blower, and this thing blows that out of the water, especially for this price point. Yeah, really strong. Has a turbo mode on here as well, and you're going to get up to a 35-minute runtime, which that's absolutely fantastic, especially considering how little this battery is. Look at how small that is. It does come with a fast charger that will charge this battery in under 2 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this back in there just like that, and I'll show you, how well it performs. Don't really have too many leaves around here and stuff. We haven't quite hit the fall season yet. We just entered fall, so I'll blow around as much as I can. We got some bigger leaves and stuff around here that we should be able to blow around. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so as you saw right there, tons and tons of air coming out of this thing. We had some matted down grass and stuff over there on top of our storm shelter, and this thing just blew that stuff right away. It's probably been on there for like a year, all mushed down and nasty. Took it right off. So if you're looking for a affordable blower that does a really, really good job, I'm gonna have to highly recommend this one right here from LIGO. So if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check it out.